Elevate your Minecraft creations from simple blocks to intricate works of art by mastering the brush tool. First, let's craft our brush. You'll need 3 sticks and 2 pieces of wool. Arrange the sticks vertically in your crafting grid, with one wool piece directly above the top stick, and the second wool piece below the bottom stick. This recipe will yield you 1 brush. Now, let's talk about how you actually use this amazing tool. To paint, you'll need a brush and some dye. Any color of dye will work, from poppy red to lapis lazuli blue. Equip both your brush and your chosen dye in your inventory. Approach the surface you want to paint, like this smooth stone block, and then right-click with your brush while holding the dye. See that? Your block is now adorned with a vibrant splash of color. The brush allows for much finer detail than simply placing colored blocks. You can apply different patterns depending on the block you're painting on and the dye you're using. Experiment on different types of blocks like wool, terracotta, or even concrete to create unique textures and designs. Want to add some flair to your castle walls? Use stripes, dots, or even abstract designs to bring your builds to life. Made a mistake or want to change your design? Simply use the brush on an already painted block without holding any dye to remove the paint. The brush opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities in Minecraft. From subtle shading to bold artistic statements, your builds will never be the same. Like this video if you're excited to start painting your Minecraft world, and subscribe for more building tips.